Welcome back to the channel. Donnie D back at you. So today I'm going to share with you what it's like to work with me and my company. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Donnie D here. I really appreciate you tuning into this video. Today I'm gonna tell you what it's like to work with me and my company, what you can expect. Believe it or not, when you call me and my company, okay, I'm actually going to answer the phone most times, usually anywhere between, 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. I'm going to answer the phone. Now, if I don't, I will definitely give you a call back that day. There's no doubt about it. I'm in this business for the long run. I'm not a contractor that just started out of nowhere to try to make some money. I've been doing this a long time, second generation here. So this is what I do. I'm here to stay. That's one thing, I actually pick up the phone. I've been trying to find some contractors myself to do a few things, and it's been difficult. I'll put it that way. So, we actually pick up the phone. We're going to get back to you one way or another. What else is it like to work with me? Well, once you call me, people like to call it a process or how our process is or their process. I keep it pretty simple. The terms I use is the steps that we need to take in order to make sure I can help you, okay? So usually when you call me, if you just click the button on Google or whatever, you just need information. Usually when you call me, I'm going to say, great, thank you so much for calling me. I really look forward to helping you. Would it be possible if you could send me some photos and even a video of the project to see how I can help you? That's usually how we're going to go when you call me. So usually I'm going to need the photos and the video if you can. The photos will really help, and that just helps me see what you see. And that way we can get on the phone. So that way, before we even come out there, I don't want to waste your time. Sometimes we're not always a fit for whatever reason is. So in order to save us both some time and make sure that I'm a fit, I just need to see what I'm working with. And then once I see that, we can actually get on the phone. I can discuss with you how I can help you or not with the project. And once we get through all that, I can actually share with you what kind of investment you'll be looking at. And then once all that makes sense, we come out there, and we come out there for one of two reasons. And one of the reasons I even want, put it that way. The two reasons are, we're going to come out there for the contract signing and a down payment, okay? So essentially, once we get through the whole phone consultation, everything sounds good. We discuss the investment, everyone's on board. I'm going to send you a rough contract. And a rough contract is going to have your information, maybe a brief description of the scope of work. And then once I come out there for the on-site consultation, we'll dial in everything exactly, and we can do the down payment. Now, usually at the time of this recording, I do about 25% down of the total sum, and that gets you locked in on a schedule. Now, without the contract signing or the down payment, we can't guarantee you a spot on the schedule, okay? That's one of the two reasons, the next step. The second reason is if you need some more information and you just really want me to come out and see it in person, I am more than happy to come out there, as long as you're okay with the investment we're looking at. And if you just want to come out there, we really want to dial things in, you're not sure, you want to think about it, we can do that. And we call it an on-site consultation. Now, there is a fee for that. And I don't want the fee, I want the project. But that said, let's say you want me to come out there and you really want to meet me in person, you want to make sure that we're a good fit and we could dial everything in, that fee will stand for about 30 days. So let's say you call me on day 30 and you say, Don, you know what? I've talked to my wife or significant other, my husband, whatever it is, girlfriend, boyfriend, and I'm ready to move forward. This sounds good. Well, that consultation fee goes away completely. You just send me the down payment, either through online form, you can send me a check, whatever works for you, and then we're locked in on the schedule. Now, if it's past 30 days, well then the consultation fee is going to get deposited in the bank. Okay, so now maybe you're curious about what the on-site consultation fee might be. So it really depends where the project is. Now, if it's far and I have to travel there, let's say up to a half hour to 1 hour, that's usually going to be around $400 to $500. Now, if it's local to me, anywhere within 25 minutes or less, that's going to be about $250 to $350. But then again, the consultation fee doesn't really even happen. It doesn't exist. It's only if you want to think about it and past just 30 days. I just want to be completely clear with that. I like to go out on projects and make sure everything sounds good before we go out there. We're not your typical contractor that you're going to call us and we know nothing about you. And we're gonna come out there and we're just gonna, do a little tap dance and give you a written estimate that's itemized and send you over and just hope that we got the job. No, we want to make sure that we're a good fit for each other. Make sure that I'm the contractor you're looking for whatever reason. Maybe you don't like my colors, my bright green or my black hats. That's fine. Whatever the reason is, maybe we're uncomfortable, and that's perfectly fine. Or maybe we are the person that you're looking for. We are the company that that can do the job for you. I just want to make sure that I don't come out there to waste your time, because everyone's time is precious. As we all know, we can't get our time back. We can always go out there and make more money for our family, for ourselves and our family, but we can't get the time back. So I'd rather save you that time and make sure that I'm the contractor for you before I come out there. Okay, so I hope this is clear and what it's like to work with me. Now that we got through all that part, we're going to go to what it's like to work with me, on the job site. Now, as of this recording right now, it's June 2021, and I usually work by myself. I'm owner operator of the company. Sometimes I have helpers, sometimes mechanics. Now, as time goes on, I will be having other people work for me as installers, technicians, and whatnot. I'll be behind the scenes, but as of right now, I am working in the field. So when you do hire me, you will be seeing me on site doing the project for you. Now, that's how it usually works. Now, as far as like how the project goes, again, you're going to be seeing me every day. Usually we do the 25% down before the project starts, and then we do another 25% down the day the project starts, and then we have progress payments. Usually I break up that 50%, 2 or 3 times throughout the project, but that's all going to be in the contract, laid out so you can see exactly what you can expect. Then I actually made some videos of what you can expect, what it's like to have me on site, that I'll actually send you before the project happens. If we haven't discussed it and we're unsure, I'll send you a video. Most times I discuss it with it. At the time right now, I have a utility trailer, and really I'm not planning to get rid of it. So 7 by 14 trailer. Not every project I can have it, but the projects I can have it there, I park it either in the driveway if I can. That's usually the best bet. If not, I'll be in the street. And that just makes me a lot more efficient on a project to help get it done for you in a timely manner and have all the tools and materials that I have there. That's about it. So, we do the down payment, we get you locked in on the schedule. I keep in communication with you with any updates or change of schedule and whatnot. We got to make sure we both communicate with each other to make sure that we got all the materials, we got the grout picked out, whatever trim pieces we need, or we're doing the bathroom, we got all the fixtures picked out, all the subcontractors, electrician and plumber, everyone else is scheduled, ready to go. So we make sure we stay in communication with you either by phone, email, or text, whatever is going to work for you. And then, we do the project. And once we get done with the project, we make sure you're completely satisfied, everything looks good, and we go from there. You get to enjoy the beautiful tile installation or full bathroom we did for you. So I hope this video was very informative for you. If there was something that was unclear or you're not sure of, please give me a call, send me an email, write in the comments below, and I'll see how I can help answer that question for you. Again, thanks for tuning in. Donnie D signing off.